Go.
Hello, my friends all over the world. I heard the rumors that is going around about me. I just want to say all that you have been hearing, that I'm dead, is a big lie. I'm alive and I'm quite okay. The Lord has kept me for a purpose, and I must fulfill my purpose. So my everything, as you know, is in the hand of God. So my time is not yet now, and the Lord will keep me to fulfill His assignment for me. I appreciate all of you, friends all over the world, from all parts of the world, from London, from UK, from Poland, from America. I've been receiving call, and I say, I thank you very much. Thank you for your love and concern for me. By the grace of God, I am who I am. In Jesus' mighty name. God bless you all.